Hello friend, see you again with me. I will describe fishing boat and materials for resistant to salt water and corrosion. The nature of the operation of the ship, which has been moving widely from the fishing area to other fishing areas, has caused the fishing boat to be designed with strong construction because in the case of sea condition, the engine vibration also affect the stress of the ship's construction. One factor that affects the design and construction of fishing vessel is the selection of the right material. The selection of fishing vessel material is influenced by shipyard expertise, including the ability of human resource and availability of the equipment as of obtaining material, technical advantage of its material, and the cost of purchasing material. If material used in fishing vessel is made of VRP, fiber reinforced plastic, or better known as fiberglass, steel, ferrocement, aluminum, and wood. Up to 90% of the material used for fishing vessels are made of wood. The weakness of wood as a vessel material is the lack of shape, strength, and heavy construction. The higher the strength of the wood, the longer the life of the fishing boat will be longer, and vice versa. The lack of power is also due to the lack number of connection in ship construction. Thank you, my friend. See you.